Hello, Yatri. So here, this is the end of the month or 2026. And still, if you are looking for any cloud and DevOps certificate, this is for you. So let's say if you want to become a Golden Kubestronaut, or let's say if you want to go with any Kubestronaut certified, or maybe you are gonna with any one of the single certificate, let's say for CK right now, then you can go with on discounted price. So here is the original price of $445, which is really high. I know. No worries, you don't need to pay the original price. Okay. So let's say again, if you want to go with any certificate, if you want any help from out of the global, then you can simply connect with us on our Kubernetes Yatri community. You can find out the link here. You can simply go with the Google and type community.yatricloud.com, or you can find out a link in the description also, right? So let's say first I'm gonna be with the Golden Kubestronaut certified, including all the certificate. Then total cost is a $4,229. So you can save it simply via 50% off discount. Correct? So yeah, it's a very simple process. So let me go into the ones. So let's say you are gonna get the CKAD certified, right? Anything you can select any one of them. You can go with this also, right? You can go with the Golden Kubestronaut, right? So let's quickly click on the enroll today, and here you can see this is a coupon code, right? Before entering the coupon code, if you are helping out anything to anyone, you can just quickly connect with me on LinkedIn and subscribe to the Yatri Cloud to get such more videos on top. Why? Because this is valid for only 2 days. By end of this month, most probably this coupon is gonna be expired. So try to go with right now as soon as possible. So it would be better for you. So here is here as you can see here. So this is a roadmap. Let me go into the Jan 2026. So this is all the certificate which is included in this coupon code. So this is all the combo if you want, right? This is the bundle which I already showcased it to you. This is also additional, and this is a single certificate for all the Kubernetes Linux Foundation. Correct? So applicable for everyone. Right now, let me go back here and type coupon code here and quickly click on the apply. And you can see the amount is gonna be reducing it out of the 42,000 to the 21,000. So well as if you want to go with a 5 certificate of the Kubernetes, then you are gonna be save around 1 lakh rupees. The total cost is a 2 lakh, and after reducing of the all the certificate discount, you are almost done within the 1 lakh, correct? So that's very simplest ever. So if you have that much saving or anything, or maybe you are reimbursed from your company, then try to do it as soon as possible. So if you want to join with me on LinkedIn, you can find out much offer and certification roadmap, exam terms, and everything, right? So yeah, that's pretty much about today's video. So if you want to get anything, just subscribe to Yatri Cloud. That's it, nothing to do more. So see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, see you and take care.